I usually show you this wall, but today I'm gonna take you around the house and show you that wall. This video is gonna be about how to make a hat. Because Camilla sent in a request. She wanted to do one with her 5-year-old twins. And what's special about this hat is it's not just a normal hat. Because the crown is so high that we can do a secret pocket inside and turn it into a magician hat. How cool is that? I think it's pretty cool. So let's take some of this beautiful black paint and spread it all over your hat. So, while I'm painting this crown, I wanted to let you know about a new magazine that's out. And it's called Art Splash magazine. So now you're watching Art Splash online, which is kids art tutorials. Art Splash magazine can be read on the website, all for free. I'll put a link down below in the description. This is the crown, this is the brim. And you can choose to make a bigger brim if you want. I mean, you can customize your own hat so that exactly the way you want your hat to be. Mine is inspired by Moomin Papa, for those who knows Moomin. Which is a character I grew up with, coming from Finland. And the funny thing about Moomin is they're also Finno-Swede. So, actually I have a book here. I didn't even remember that. It's right here. Yeah, Moomin is also Finno-Swede, which I am. So, their mother tongue is actually Swedish. Fact of the day. Just had to tie up my hair, it was getting in the way. Yeah, so now that we painted the outside, I'm gonna turn the hat around and put some paint on the inside as well. I hope you remember to wear art-friendly clothes. And another good thing to remember is to prepare your workspace so you don't need to stress about in case you get an accident with the paint that you would get it somewhere where it doesn't belong. So getting a table cover and even maybe a floor cover is a good idea. So now I'm gonna let this hat dry for a bit. And thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, press the subscribe button, and yeah, that's about it. Let's check if this hat actually works. You can send in your requests in the comments. Check out the video next week. Bye!